alleged that on or between June 12th and June 18th, 2010 in the town of Minocqua, you caused the death of Lori J. Schmidt with intent to kill that person, contrary to section 940.01, subsection 1A of the statutes. This is a Class A felony, and it is punishable on conviction by life imprisonment. And Mr. Schultz, you have a copy of the complaint as well?
I do, and I've had a chance to go over the complaint with him. We appear specially to preserve jurisdictional objections. We waive reading of the complaint. We ask the court to schedule a preliminary examination.
Let's consider bail first. Mr. Bloom, what does the state recommend?
Judge, the defendant is charged with a Class A felony. The defendant does have a prior criminal record. He was convicted relative to charges filed in 1996 in Sheboygan County of 2 counts of burglary, in Shawano County of 2 counts of armed robbery, and in Langley County of armed robbery, false imprisonment, battery, and criminal damage to property. As a result of those cases, the defendant was sentenced to prison, where he served until January of 2009. After being out of prison, where he remains on parole for about a year and a half, he's alleged to have committed this homicide. Furthermore, Judge, as is indicated in the complaint, the defendant left the state of Wisconsin by all information available to the state, stole a vehicle in Chicago, Illinois.
Your Honor, if it'll help, he's on a hold. We just did his revocation hearing this morning. It wasn't even completed. I don't foresee the hold being lifted anytime in the near future. And under those circumstances, we're not going to be making a bail argument today. We understand the court's probably going to set some kind of cash bail. We'll revisit it at a time when it might make a difference, if that's acceptable.
Anything further, Mr. Bloom?
Judge, state would request a $500,000 cash bond.
Given the nature of the crime, the strength of the evidence, or the character of the evidence, and the recharging conduct of the defendant, and given his criminal history, I am going to set a $500,000 cash bail.